Hello, today we will guide you through how to add external mic to Google Meet. To get started, open Google Meet from your browser. If you are searching for it online, select the official Google Meet page and sign into your Google account if needed. Once you are on the Google Meet home screen, you are ready to access the audio options where your microphone can be changed. From the home page, click New Meeting. After that, choose Instant Meeting, or if your screen shows a join option instead, that works too. The goal here is simply to enter a meeting space so you can reach the microphone controls. You do not need to worry about which meeting option you choose for this process, as both will let you access your audio settings. When the meeting window opens, look toward the bottom control bar. You will see the microphone button there. Click the microphone area, and then click the small upward arrow next to it to open the audio selection menu. This menu gives you quick access to the available microphone devices connected to your computer. At this point, you should see a list of microphone options. Select your external microphone from that list. It may appear as a headset microphone, a USB microphone, or another device name depending on what you have connected. Once you click it, Google Meet will switch your input to that microphone. If your device is plugged in correctly, it should become the active mic right away. There's also another way to do this if you want more control. In the meeting, click the 3 vertical dots to open the More Options menu, then go to Settings and open the Audio section. In the microphone setting, choose the microphone you prefer to use. This is helpful if you want to double check that the correct device is selected or if you did not see it from the quick menu earlier. After switching microphones, speak briefly and watch for any microphone activity indicator if available. That can help confirm that Google Meet is hearing your external mic. If your microphone does not appear, make sure it is properly connected before opening Meet and check that your browser has permission to use your microphone. And that's it. Once your preferred microphone is selected, Google Meet will use it for your meeting audio. You are now ready to continue your call with your external mic set up and working properly.